Welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of European currency. We'll focus on the 10 euro cent coins from 1999 and 2001. These coins carry more than monetary value, they're packed with history, design excellence, and some surprises for collectors. Let's get started. 10 euro cent coin, 2001, history, design, and value. T's key topics: the coin's design, its value, and its place in European history. Design and symbolism. Slow zoom into the coin's obverse, front, side featuring Queen Beatrix. Discuss the portrait of Queen Beatrix of the Netherlands. Symbol of Dutch heritage and monarchy. Inscription: Beatrix Koning in der Nederlanden translates to Beatrix, Queen of the Netherlands. 12 stars representing the European Union encircle the design. Visual: flip the coin to the reverse side showing the standard euro design. Voiceover: the reverse side features the common 10 euro cent design across all Eurozone countries. Designed by Lux, the map shows the European Union as a cohesive whole, symbolizing unity. Historical context. Archival footage of the euro currency launch. Cover the introduction of the euro in 1999 and its circulation in 2002. Discuss the role of the Netherlands in adopting the euro and phasing out the Dutch guilder. Highlight the significance of Queen Beatrix's reign during this transitional period, 1980 to 2013. Value and collectability. Discuss how the coin's value varies based on condition. Circulated, face value, 10 euro cents. Uncirculated or proof condition, can range between 50 cents and 3 euros depending on demand. Factors affecting value. Minting year, 2001 is one of the earlier mint years, making it slightly more collectible. Rarity, compare minting quantities with other years. Visual, tables or graphics summarizing values and conditions. Tips for collectors. What to look for when buying or selling. The importance of professional grading. Fun facts and numismatic details. Highlight intricate details of the coin using macro photography. Unique facts. Designed with a Nordic gold alloy for durability and tarnish resistance. Size and weight: 19.75 mm in diameter, 4.1 grams. Introduced to replace smaller denominations like the Dutch 10-cent guilder coin. Conclusion. Coin spinning again with a blurred background of other euro coins. Summarize the significance of the 10 euro cent coin. Encourage viewers to check their own coins for rare or valuable pieces. Second. Historical context. Before the euro became the official currency in 2002, France used the French franc. The 1999 French 10 euro cent coin represents the transition period when the euro was introduced as a non-cash currency. While banknotes and coins didn't enter circulation until 2002, coins like this one were minted early to prepare for the big change. The introduction of the euro was one of the most ambitious monetary projects in history, aiming to unify 12 countries under a single currency. France, being one of the founding members of the European Union, played a significant role in this historic moment. Design and symbolism. Let's take a closer look at the obverse side of this coin. The design features la semeuse, or the sower, a powerful symbol of the French Republic. She's depicted sowing seeds under the rays of the sun, representing growth, prosperity, and enlightenment. This design is deeply rooted in French history and was originally created by Oscar Rodi in the late 19th century for the French franc. Laurent Jorlot modernized it for the Euro era while maintaining its timeless elegance. The letters RF stand for République Française, a nod to France's national identity. And, of course, the year 1999 marks its minting date, making this coin part of the first batch of euro coins ever produced. The reverse side features the standard 10 euro cent design used across all Eurozone countries. It showcases a map of Europe, symbolizing unity and cooperation among member states. Composition and technical detail. This coin is made from Nordic gold, a special alloy of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin. Despite its name, there's no actual gold in it. It's named for its golden appearance and anti-corrosion properties. It weighs 4.1 grams, has a diameter of 19.75 millimeters, and a thickness of 1.93 millimeters. These details make it easy to distinguish among other euro coins in your pocket. Nordic gold is not only durable but also eco-friendly, making it a practical choice for mass-produced currency. Value and collectability. Now, let's talk about what everyone wants to know. How much is this coin worth? Its face value is, of course, 10 euro cents. But for collectors, the value depends on factors like condition, rarity, and minting errors. A heavily circulated coin is worth its face value, but an uncirculated coin or one in pristine condition could fetch between €1 and €5. While that might not sound like much, certain minting errors can significantly boost its value. Keep an eye out for unique errors. These can make your coin a rare find. If you come across one, it's worth getting it graded by a professional service. Tips for collectors. If you're looking to add this coin to your collection, here are a few tips. Check circulation coins. Always check your spare change. You might stumble upon a rare gem. Buy from reputable dealers. Ensure authenticity when purchasing coins online or at auctions. Preserve condition. Use coin holders or albums to prevent scratches and tarnishing. Collectors should also be aware of counterfeit coins, although they're rare for lower denominations like this one. Fun facts and trivia. Did you know? The 1999 French 10 euro cent coin was minted 3 years before the euro officially entered circulation. It's part of a historic transition that replaced centuries-old national currencies with a unified system. Another fun fact, Nordic gold, the material used for this coin, is also used in Olympic gold medals for its durability and shine. Closing thoughts. So, there you have it. The 1999 French 10 euro cent coin is more than just pocket change. It's a piece of history, a work of art, and, for some, a valuable addition to their collection. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just getting started, this coin is a fascinating glimpse into the story of the euro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments if you found a rare coin or have questions about collecting. Until next time, happy collecting!